This is a Mercedes-Benz 560 SEC, an iconic coupe from the golden era of German engineering. And this one just got the full treatment here at ECC Tuned. So this 560 SEC, it's actually a very special project because the customer has been planning on, purchasing this car since 2012, and he ended up actually getting one in 2021. And initially when he brought us the vehicle, we were supposed to do, the basic checkovers, maintenance, maybe a couple noticeable repairs. But as soon as we started working on it, it really became much more complicated than that. It needed a complete engine overhaul and quite a bit of suspension work, differential rebuild, transmission rebuild, and we decided at that point just pull the motor out, refresh the engine bay, fix literally everything we could see wrong with it, except bodywork, which we'll be doing a bit later, to make sure that it looks the way we really want it to look, the proper shine that it deserves.
Yeah, I bought it April 2021, and I had it in my garage for a year. I did the front suspension, and then I did it with my dad. So he and I, we worked on it together. Then he's like, don't touch the engine, just hire someone else to do it. So then I went to Mercedes Maple, and they said, look, you can do it here, but it's going to cost a ton of money. And they recommended ECC. They recommended you guys. So then I called Anton, and then I towed it here. And I was like, just replace this, replace that. I said, I think I wanted suspension, guide rails, timing chain. And then Anton called me back. He's like, I have to pull the engine.
Yeah, it's ended up like quick checkup.
Yeah,
we did
there's too many leaks. Yeah, too many leaks, pull the engine. So I said, okay, fine, go ahead. And yeah, that was the beginning of the journey.
Once the engine came apart, it became clear that there was no cutting corners on this project. We rebuilt it completely, from the block internals to fuel and cooling components. Every part that mattered was either replaced or restored. We then moved on to the drivetrain, differential, mounts, suspension, brakes, everything refreshed to bring the car back to a reliable, smooth driving vehicle. To complete the look, we installed an OEM set of AMG Mercedes monoblock wheels with some fresh Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires, and this way the ride will be much softer and comfortable, and it will fill up the gaps in the wheel well. This project took nearly 2 years from start to finish. It was a slow, careful process, but with a purpose. To revive a dream car after 13 years of waiting. That's what makes a build like this unforgettable.
I love it. It's like everything's worked out so well. Like rims worked out well. It looks amazing. Absolutely, I couldn't be more pleased.
They don't make them like they used to.
No, I absolutely love it. And over the last couple of years, I'm like, was this the right move? Should I have done this? Should I not? And I didn't even see it outside. I walked right by.
Yeah, we're like, I didn't see it.
I didn't see it until Anton told me. It looks amazing.
How do you feel looking at the car?
I'm thrilled. 4 years later, I'm absolutely thrilled.
But I remember you telling me that it's like one of your dream cars that you're looking like really forward to being done, right?
Yeah, I started looking at this car in 2012.
10 years or 13 years, yeah.
So now it's 2025. Dream has finally come true.
I love it. It's a gorgeous car.
It's a beautiful car.
It's beautiful.
Restoring a car isn't just mechanical, it's emotional. It's about preserving history and making sure that cars continue to turn heads for years to come. The one struggle we had with this specific engine rebuild is sourcing the parts out, because most of the parts, they're either discontinued or they're backordered for at least, I would say, 4 to 8 weeks from Germany. So every single time we try to, tackle a certain job on this car, we have to wait for parts, and then we have to wait for the machine shop to do whatever they need to do to complete the heads and resurface the block and make sure that everything is within spec. Then we have to assemble it at the shop, run all the tests, check all the specs within the manual, and make sure this car runs and idles properly, that the engine is timed correctly. So just a quick recap of what we've done on this beautiful 560 SEC. We rebuilt the rear differential, changed the seals on it, installed new calipers, new brake lines, new springs, new shocks, refreshing as much as we can on the suspension component so it actually feels fresh and nice as it used to be. Rebuild the drive shaft, obviously different hanger bearing, changed the greebles, transmission service, new transmission pan, new gasket, cleaned all the lines. And then we took the whole motor apart completely, installed brand new head gaskets, brand new head studs, checked every single component on this motor. Like literally everything was double checked, and it runs incredible right now. The steering arms were replaced, tie rods, new springs up front, all new bushings, ball joints, brakes, all the little balancer shocks, all the housings, lines, everything is brand new. Brand new radiator as well. This car should feel and perform like a new car. So I wanted to bring another cool vehicle that we're currently working on, which is my 1985 930 turbo roof BTR. And this specific car, we dry iced the whole chassis underneath, did some dry icing in the actual front end compartment. Currently we're fixing up a couple spots and repainting them, and then obviously we pulled the whole motor out and we actually dry ice blasted the complete motor. The reason we pulled the motor out is because one of the nuts on the transmission shafts came loose and the 2 gears got destroyed along with a couple bearings. So we took the whole transmission apart and fixed everything internally. This is a very rare roof dogleg 5-speed transmission. And now we decided once the motor is out, just clean everything up, change all the vacuum lines, new plugs, new wires, replace the timing cover gaskets, new hardware for the timing covers, and just make sure that everything works the way it should. So we're now at our body shop, and here we actually do all the body work and all the restoration work in regards to body panels and paint that goes, whether it's under the car or the exterior that needs to be repainted or fixed. So currently we're working on another really cool car. It's a SL73. This car came from Japan and is going to be completely repainted and restored to original condition. Everything that was not original will be removed and taken out. And this is what our paint booth looks like. That's where everything gets done. This car specifically is going through its disassembly process. We just put it out of the way because we've got some other cars being currently worked on at the shop, but soon enough we'll remove it and take it apart and start working on it. We have a couple SL vehicles as well, the classic Mercedes-Benzes. This one specifically is an SL70 and that's an SL600. Both are gonna get mechanical refreshments and a few other jobs to bring them back to life so they work properly and they look amazing as they usually do. Another recent restoration we're proud of is 1994 Mercedes-Benz E500 that we've restored for a customer. We gave it a full paint restoration and addressed several key areas to bring it back to showroom quality so it looks amazing and perfect as it could be for the customer. As a result, the customer decided to bring it to the Barrett-Jackson auction, and the vehicle actually sold for $137,500 US. And that's what we aim for. We want our customers to be happy with the results. We want them to get top dollar for their, precious possessions and, their beloved vehicles. This is the kind of work we aim for. Restoration projects that actually mean a lot to us and to the customer, and we're here to make sure our customers are happy. We aim to make history, memories, and here at ECC, if you want to get your engine rebuilt or your car serviced or your car tuned and modified, we're here to help you and make sure it's done properly.